4. Let's now go down to the presentation area where Ramiz Raja is talking to the two captains.
Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your presence. We are ready with the presentation ceremony, and thank you for all the support that you lent to the home team. At the end of the day, it was Sehwag's brilliance that won him the game, and unfortunately, the Deccan Chronicle, the Deccan Chargers were the losers today. First of all, I'd like to introduce the presentation party. T. Venkataram Reddy, Chairman, Deccan Chronicle Holdings Limited, is here with us. Mr. S.N. Mohanty, Principal Secretary, Sports and Youth Welfare, is here with us as well. So first of all, may I invite Virender Sehwag to please come forward and receive the DLF Maximum Sixes Award. 6 sixes. The award to be presented by Mr. S.N. Mohanty. May I now invite VVS Lakshman to please come forward. Well, a tough day at the office, not enough runs on the board, and then it was Sehwag's brilliance that took the game away from you in the end, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely. 143 was not enough. I think we lost wickets at regular intervals. It put pressure on us, and we were not able to concentrate on maintaining a high strike rate.
Pitch appeared to be pretty good for batting, but in the end the ball did swing and you lost those early crucial wickets also.
Yeah, absolutely. First we didn't capitalize on the first 6 overs, and then, as I said earlier, we lost regular intervals. And when you're doing that, it's very difficult for the new batsman to come in and go after the bowling straight away.
How big a hit is this, losing in front of the home supporters?
Absolutely disappointing, and the manner we lost was very disappointing. Hopefully we'll get back in the next game and try and win the next game.
Okay, all the best for the next one then.
Thanks, Ramesh.
VVS Lakshman, the captain of the Deccan Chargers. May I now invite Virender Sehwag to please come forward and have a few words with us. Brilliant. I'm lost for words, really.
Thanks, Ramesh. Yesterday someone asked me in press conference, they have a good strategy against you. I said, if it will my day, then nobody can stop me.
Absolutely right. Now, but you got them bowled out, in very less time, and the attack from the bowlers was also very good. You must be very happy with how the bowlers operated today.
Of course, it was a great stuff from the bowlers, especially the McGrath and Asif. They, did a fantastic job for the team. They took 2 wickets in for 6 overs, and after that, Maruf bowled really well. Even the young bowlers, Yo Mahesh and Bhatia, did a great job. So I was pretty happy with the bowling effort.
But you made look batting extremely easy. Your opponents found it very difficult to handle.
It happens. When Rohit Sharma was going for 6s and 4s, it was looking like a good track, and I thought if I'll back myself and just play a few overs, and after that I'll start hitting, and it happened.
6 sixes, Sehwag, tremendous strikes.
Yeah, of course, because I never thought I'll hit 6 sixes, but it happened. So, I was just, because the Simons and Sanjay Bangar was not they don't have a good pace, so I can, stand back and hit straight.
Well, you've certainly established a good base now. 2 victories, 2 games. Good going.
Yeah, of course, I'm pretty happy with my team. We have a good combination. Team is gelling really well, and they are supporting each other. So hopefully we'll do well in next games also.
Well, you're the Man of the Match award winner as well. Go and collect the award. You've been terrific today. Mr. Venkataram ready to give the award to Virender Sehwag of the Man of the Match award that is won. So that is what we have from the presentation ceremony.
Well, Delhi Daredevils then registering their 2nd consecutive win in this DLF IPL. And was some tremendous hitting there by Virender Sehwag. Match number 8 tomorrow between the Chennai Super Kings and the Mumbai Indians. 8 p.m. India time. Look forward to seeing you there, and thank you for your company tonight. Good night and goodbye.
आंखें ऊंची कर देख शिखर हटियार उठा तू दिखा हुनर